How to change text size on iPhone. This video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can change your text size on iPhone. So for those that have eye problem issue, you can go ahead and do this to change the text size on your iPhone. So go ahead and click on the settings. When you open your settings, guys, I want you to look for where it says display and brightness. So look for where it says display and brightness. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, guys, you're going to be seeing where it says bold text. So you can go ahead and turn this on if you want the text to be more bolder, as you can see, guys. So you can go ahead and click on where it says text size. So if you click on text size, you can go ahead and play around with this. So if you want the size to be the larger size, here is this, just bump it up to the last end. And if I should come back here, as you can see, guys, the size of the text on my application has reduced, as you can see. So if you wanted the medium size, you can go ahead and just play around with this, guys. For me, I use the smallest size, so I'm going to leave it this way, guys. So another thing you can actually do is to go ahead and click on the display zoom. So if you scroll down, you're going to see where it says display zoom. So go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, you can go ahead and change it to the last text or the default text. So if you change it to the last text, that it's going to zoom it more bolder for you. So if you don't want to use this text size, you can go ahead and use this. So click on the last text and you click on done. This is how you can change the text size on your iPhone. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.